Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'll talk about none other than Master Blaster, uh, Elon Musk. I often call him Master Blaster. The way he leads the innovative idea and innovation in the field of high tech technologies like electric vehicle, then SpaceX, and then uh, everybody knows about his automated cars and a lot of innovative idea. Recently became Twitter CEO and then came up with this thing, Tesla electric truck. Although it's a POC, proof of concept, but it is amazing. After it was unveiled in 2017, so right after 5 years gap, so he came up with this the prototype, which is amazing. And it has a lot of features inside it. Elon Musk himself wrote it, right? In an event at Tesla's Nevada plant after completion of a 500-mile trip, right? He talked about the trip was accomplished without needing a charging the battery. So that is that he claimed that. And Tesla has also developed a new liquid cooler cooled charging connector for the truck, which will also make its way to the much awaited and already delayed Cybertruck. So that is something new. Yeah. So I'm gonna take you through that. Mm, the Just have a look at this truck. How
Bring them on!
So as you can see, Master Blaster is getting off the truck. He's getting down off the truck, and now it's an it's a live event, right?
We're gonna give the trucks a moment. Give the trucks a moment. Alright. Alright, welcome to the Tesla semi truck event. I hope you like what you see.
Tesla invested a lot of money on that, and in 2017, Tesla announced that the semi trucks 300-mile version would cost $150,000, and 500-mile version will be available at $180,000. It's a big cost. So Tesla paid off that price, and then now you can see the first prototype, and I would say POC, proof of concept. So guys, thanks for watching this. Those who take keen interest in new tech and the electric vehicle segment. So this is a good news for